The HomeLink system is a universal garage door opener integrated into the Visor of 2019-2025 Jeep Wranglers. It allows you to control compatible garage doors, gates, and lights. Recent software updates via Uconnect enhance compatibility, especially with rolling code openers like Genie IntelliCode or Chamberlain Security Plus. Make sure your Uconnect software is up to date to avoid potential issues and vulnerabilities. HomeLink in your Jeep Wrangler works with both rolling code and fixed code garage door openers. Let's understand the key differences. Fixed codes use a static signal that remains the same every time. This makes them less secure, as the signal can be easily copied and reused by unauthorized devices. Rolling codes, on the other hand, generate a new access code each time the remote is used. This enhanced security prevents replay attacks and unauthorized access. Most modern garage door openers now use rolling code technology for better security. Make sure your Jeep Wrangler's HomeLink system is compatible and has the latest updates to handle these systems correctly. First, park your Wrangler 5 to 10 feet from the garage door to ensure a strong signal. Next, locate the HomeLink buttons on your visor or rearview mirror. Press and hold the desired HomeLink button until the indicator light flashes slowly, which takes about 20 seconds. Within 30 seconds, press and hold the button on your existing garage door remote until the HomeLink indicator light flashes rapidly. Finally, press the programmed HomeLink button to test if the garage door opens. For garage door openers using rolling codes, start with the same initial steps as fixed codes. Park your Jeep within 5 to 10 feet of the garage door opener. Then press and hold the desired HomeLink button until the indicator light flashes rapidly. Next, locate the Learn or Smart button on your garage door opener motor, usually on the back or side. Press and release this button to put the opener into learning mode. Within 30 seconds, return to your Jeep and press the programmed HomeLink button 2 to 3 times, pausing a few seconds between each press until the garage door responds and begins to move. If programming fails, first clear the HomeLink channel by holding the 2 outer buttons for 20 seconds until the indicator flashes rapidly. Then, retry the programming steps. Ensure your Jeep's ignition is on during programming. For rolling codes, timing is crucial. Press the HomeLink button immediately after pressing the Learn button on the opener. Check for interference from LED light bars or other aftermarket accessories that may jam the signal. Jeep is trending toward app-integrated systems. Pair HomeLink with smart platforms like Amazon Alexa or Google Home via the Uconnect app. This allows for remote control and monitoring of your garage door. For Wi-Fi-enabled openers like MyQ by Chamberlain, additional setup through the Uconnect app may be required. Newer Jeep models may offer one-touch setup using QR codes. Always program HomeLink in a safe area to ensure your vehicle is secure during the process. Ensure you are programming legally owned devices to prevent misuse and maintain compliance with regulations. Post-2023 models include enhanced rolling code technology that reduces the risk of hacking through replay attacks. Be wary of smart home vulnerabilities that could affect your HomeLink system and perform regular app-based audits. Perform regular app-based audits to identify and address potential security weaknesses. If you suspect a security issue, update your Uconnect software immediately to protect your system. Future Jeep models may eliminate physical HomeLink buttons in favor of touchscreen or voice-activated controls via Uconnect. Expect increasing AI-driven anomaly detection for enhanced security. Biometric authentication will provide enhanced security. As electric vehicles rise, HomeLink will adapt for charging station access. Keep your Uconnect software updated for the latest features and security enhancements.